So you made the smart choice and got the smart bot. Now it's time to connect your Neato Robot to your Android device so you can control it anytime, anywhere. Start by downloading the Neato app from the Google Play Store. Open the app, then select Create Account. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, then type in your email and a password. We'll send you a verification email. Switch to your email app, then tap the link, and your account is ready to go. Back in the Neato app, tap Sign In and enter your email address and password. You are now ready to connect your robot to your device. Start by pressing the Connect Your Robot button and select the robot model you're connecting. Next, make sure your Neato Robot's Wi-Fi is turned on. When you first turn your robot on, the info LED will be slowly blinking blue for the first 60 minutes. This means the robot is in pairing mode. If it's not slowly blinking blue, press the right bumper in towards the body of the robot while also holding down the Start button for 10 seconds until the robot turns off. Press the Start button again to turn the robot back on. After about 20 to 30 seconds, you'll hear the robot play a tune, and the info LED will be slowly blinking blue. The robot is now in pairing mode. Return to the app and tap Next. You can now give your Neato Robot a name and tap Next. The info LED will start fast blinking blue, which means the robot is pairing with the Neato app. The info LED will turn solid blue when pairing is successful. Now your Neato Robot is fully connected and ready to clean. If the info LED turns red, pairing was unsuccessful and you'll need to try pairing again. First reset your robot to clear the networks, then go through the process again.